Please follow these depressurizing and emptying guidelines before attempting to dispose of your canister. Please ensure you have a suitable empty container, mallet, and non-ferrous rod, and are wearing correct PPE, including gloves and safety glasses. Depressurize the gun and hose before transferring onto a new canister. If you are not using a new canister, flush the hose and gun using the flushing system and aerosol. Please contact Apollo Roofing Solutions for further information on flushing the gun and hose with the Apollo canister flushing system. Open the valve on the new canister and purge the product through the hose and gun. Open the valve on top of the used canister and empty any remaining adhesive and propellant into a suitable container. Ensure the valve remains open. Leave for at least 1 hour. Locate the bursting disc at the top of the empty canister. Use the non-ferrous rod and mallet to strike the bursting disc at its perimeter. Remove the disc, which will reveal an aperture. This will ensure that the canister remains depressurized. Leave for 24 hours to allow any residue to dry or cure. Once the canister is empty of any hazardous materials and depressurized, it can be considered as scrap metal, in accordance with the national or local waste company under code EWC 150104, empty aerosol non-hazardous residues. Canisters that are still pressurized and contain product should be disposed of in accordance with the national or local waste company under code EWC 160504, full or partially empty aerosol. Please contact us for any further information.